Welcome to Vidyavesh Finance. Last week we have promised to you that yes, absolutely, we will give it to you another analysis for the another thing in the sense another thing in the sense what we have promised to you, but we have not make any video for the weekly analysis. So we have skipped our everything from our mind as we are busy in somewhere else doing nonsense work in the house, and that's the reason we have not uploaded video. But anyways, as we Ridhvish Finance has did analysis on the first week of the November, market has literally given the same market has literally delivered around that points. So if you see the whole performance of the first 15 days of Nasdaq equity, Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq composite index, you will analyze it what Ridhvesh Finance has did it. See, Ridhvesh Finance has given on the 2nd of November one of the analysis. In this video also you will see it. Once again we have the same thing, and yes, absolutely, in the 28th of October till 2nd of November we have given the analysis, and that is not become so true because election results of US political party has did influences to the market. And if we see that whatever Ridhvesh Finance is given, the downtrending has literally happened on the next week, means last week, in this week itself. See what we are in the sense of 4th of November till 16th of November, the performance between 4th of November, from 4th till 9th of November, has influences the market by political party or their interference into the few stocks. Apart from that, now the market has also performed in different manner the whole month. Okay, whatever we have delivered earlier on 28th of October, it has performed on the 11th of November till 16th of November. So right now we are expecting from 18th of November till 23rd of November, whatever the analysis we are delivering right now. So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid for 18th of November till 23rd of November. Okay, so this is all about Ridhvesh Finance has really giving. So last week, if we see the performance of the Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, so Nasdaq 100 in the whole week has touched around it 21,200 has given a maximum, and it goes down up to $20,394. So USD in that sense in the Nasdaq 100. So if you see Nasdaq Composite Index is also different mannerly not perform. It's around like within the whole week that has been touched around below, in the sense 19,355, and it goes down up to 18,605 within a week. So it's quite good performance. Whatever we have recommended on the end of October has performed right now in the mid of the November. So this is all about Ridhvesh Finance predicted. And yes, right now we will give it to the new prediction which will be valid for this upcoming week. Might be that's the reason nobody watch our videos. So right now everybody is busy to celebrating Thanksgiving. Prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 28th of October till 2nd of the November. So Composite Index can give maximum higher end 19,450. it's not going to cross 20,000, but it can goes up to 19,750 also. But probably it can show some sort of stability around 19,050 points. Suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 18,500. We can give it to you, or 400 we will give it to you over here. And yes, Nasdaq 100 we were expecting around, suppose maximum higher end it can cross. It can cross it around 2950 point Nasdaq 100. It can show some sort of stability around 20,750 point or 20,650 point. Minimum, suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 20,000 or 20,100. We have given 20,100. In that case, let me know in comments what you predicting, what you think about the Nasdaq. Share, subscribe our channel for more prediction. This is the case study. And you know, our stat really does might be people think that whatever we have given for next 3 months predictions for Nasdaq, both the indices till Jan or Feb end, people consider it that this will touch within a week. But the fact that please read about it, we are also sometimes confused as we have learned tons of work. So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index, common Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 18th of October, November till 2024 till 23rd of November 2024. Composite Index maximum it can goes up to 19,150. It can sustain around 19,000. Minimum it can goes down 19,000 18,400. So this is all about Vridhivesh Finance has given. For Nasdaq Composite Index, Nasdaq 100 it can goes up to 20,850. It can show some sort of stability around 20,550. And suppose this goes down, it can touch up to 20,100. But it will sustain it. Don't worry. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your holiday with your family. Before investing into the market, ensure everything at your place because you are putting your own money and study yourself. Have a great day. We are giving just a case study on for all stock. Yes, this week we have recommended two new stock as a hot equity. One of the cheaper level, one is a Ford Motors, another one is a Mercado Libre. So Mercado Libre probably is, if you really wanted to trade it in Nasdaq 100, you can trade it. Have a great day. Bye bye.